Phonemes, allophones, phones. Difference and their relationships. In order to tell the difference, linguists use two separate terms, phoneme and the allophone. Phoneme means sound of speech used in their contrastive sense. Allophone is used for non-contrastive sounds representing variants of the definite phoneme. The phoneme is a minimal abstract linguistic unit opposed to other phonemes in order to distinguish the meaning of morphemes and the words. So, as a unit of language, any phoneme possesses a bundle of distinctive features that makes it functionally different from all other phonemes and forms the invariant of the phoneme. So there can be two articulatory features, distinctive or non-distinctive. Distinctive features, they can be extracted when opposing to each other in the same phonetic context phonemes with a difference in one articulatory feature which brings changes in meaning. For example, breed, breeze, pot, caught. Non-distinctive or irrelevant or redundant features, they can be observed within the allophones of a certain phoneme. For example, the position of an aspirated k to a non-aspirated one is the same phonetic context, does not distinguish their meaning. For example, back. Allophones, they are possible variants of the same phoneme which never occur in similar phonetic contexts. They are used not to differentiate meaning and largely depend on the phonetic context in which neighboring phonemes predict the use of this or that allophones. There can be two types of allophones, principal or subsidiary allophones. So if an allophone retains the typical articulatory characteristics of the phoneme, it is called a principal allophone. But when certain changes happen in the articulation of an allophone under the influence of the phonetic environment, an allophone is called subsidiary. The actual realization of allophones in the speech chain is exercised through phones. So these units are not predicted by phonetic context, but modified by phonostylistic, dialectical, and individual variations. That's why no speech sounds are absolutely alike. The relationship between the phoneme as an ideal combination of articulatory features, the allophone as its variant, and the phone as a concrete speech sound may be illustrated in the following scheme. As you can see, phoneme, allophone, then stylistic variation, dialectical variation, individual variation, and then the phone.